Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on the Ps4 home screen, go straight to Settings and open Network. You need an active connection, so verify Wi-Fi or LAN is connected. Once done, select Set up Internet Connection and choose Wi-Fi or use a LAN cable depending on your setup. Make sure to pick Custom to change DNS manually. This gives you control versus automatic settings. Keep your primary and secondary DNS addresses handy so you can enter them precisely when prompted. Now you will configure the middle steps where mistakes happen. Follow each screen. For IP address settings, choose automatic, then DHCP hostname, do not specify. For DNS settings, select manual, this is the key change. Then input your primary DNS, e.g. 888.8, and secondary DNS, e.g. 884.4. Once entered, move to MTU settings and leave it automatic, then proxy server, do not use. These choices avoid conflicts and keep routing stable. Finish by testing the connection. Choose Test Internet Connection and watch for failed DNS or no internet messages. If everything passes, you're done and DNS is active. If it fails, power cycle the router and restart your Ps4, then re-enter DNS. Small digit errors cause failures. Make sure you didn't set conflicting static IPs. As a troubleshooting tip, try a different public DNS, for example Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 to rule out provider issues before deeper network diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.